With Amplio, you can also play a vibrational experience of the song. This is called haptics. The vibrations you experience with Amplio are designed for people who are totally deaf. So if vibrations are the only way for you to enjoy music, you can have a fully immersive and satisfying music experience. If you go to a nightclub and feel the vibrations of the beat, it's nice, but it can be a bit monotonous after a while. You can't feel the words. With Amplio, the vibrational experience is different and you can feel the lyrics. If you memorize the song and learn the lyrics, later you'll be able to close your eyes and sign perfectly in time just from feeling the vibrations. To enjoy vibrations, you need to connect a haptic device, which is a device that vibrates. Example haptic devices include subpack, bass pack, and Ruger strap. If you want more information about haptic devices, check out our website. If you don't have a haptic device, you can still try this out by connecting a speaker and feeling the vibrations. It won't be as powerful, but it can still feel good. To feel strong vibrations, you need to turn the volume up loud. So be careful, as the hearing people around you might not appreciate that. If you get a haptic device, they are quiet, so you can have strong vibrations without annoying anyone. I'll show you how to connect a subpack. First, connect the subpack to your computer via Bluetooth. Then, tell Amplio to use that for the haptic device. Now, when you press play, you can hear the Amplio version while feeling the vibrational experience with the subpack. However, you can't unpack the haptic version. Changing the volumes and range of each track won't change what you feel. If you want to feel the song as you unpack it, connect the subpack to your main audio. Now you can feel the song as you unpack it. Sometimes Bluetooth can cause a delay. To fix this, you can tell Amplio to reduce the delay. Thanks. I hope you enjoy Amplio. Don't forget to give us feedback, as we'd love to make it better for you.